So I put together a solo guitar arrangement for the swing tune Honeysuckle Rose. What guitar should I use? I think this is fitting. From 1938, this is an L50, which has later been converted into an ES150 with the Charlie Christian pickup, and I am running through the vintage 47 VA-185G. Now that is a modern day replica of the Gibson EH185 amplifier. Now I think this is a really fun song to play solo guitar wise, it's got real bounce to it. If you'd like to learn my transcription, then you can get it on the lowest tier of my Patreon page, link in the description. And I've recorded this with a Neumann mic and added a little touch of reverb in Logic. Let me know what you think in the comments of the pairing of this guitar with that amp. I think it's a match made in heaven. You get that kind of barky bit of grit breakup when you dig in a little bit more. I think it's personally a time machine, really, apart from maybe the reverb that I added, which I couldn't help but add. That's just part of my sound. And if you'd like to learn the chords to this tune, then you may have missed my lesson breaking down the chords and the harmony to this classic must-know swing tune. That'll be on the screen for you now. Don't forget jazz guitar lessons or videos every Monday. Until next time, you take care.